So let's start by creating new project ASP.NET web application. Let's say demo project, let's say 3, and I want to start by creating grabbing a label control. So just grab a label control, and I want to grab a text box. Okay, this is my text box. So let's just go to in our source code. This will be, I think this will be faster, and let's just copy and paste 6 times. I need a 6 label control and 6 text box, that's why. Okay, so now I have a 6 text box and 6 label control. Let me show you in design mode. So here you can see 6 label control and 6 and text box. So let's here make some changes, and here let's say a name. Here let's say email. Here let's say age. Here let's say password. And here let's say confirm password, and name, email, age, password. Okay, here confirm password is I forget it. Confirm password, and here you can say comment. So let me show you here in design view. Now you can see I have an email, name, email, age, password, confirm password, and comment. And also I need one button here. Say button, and let's see it in our design mode. And also I want to change here a text box name. So let's say txt name, let's say txt email, let's say txt age, let's say txt password, and let's say here txt confirm pass, and let's say here txt comment. Okay, so now I have this view. In this demo I am not worried about style sheet of my web page. So if you want to learn about CSS, you can look at my another video. So let's start with creating a new page. Let's say new, and here I want to say result page. Let's say okay, and here I need the 2 label, and let's just switch here, and let's copy 6 times. Okay, and here not here but here let's say name, here let's say email, id of this table. Let's say txt name, not txt but label, sorry, DL label name. Let's say label email. Let's say label page. Let's say label password. Let's say label confirm password. Let's say label comment. And let me show you here we have this design view. Let me just rename this page into a little spelling error. That's right. Result. Okay, that's good. So let's switch here in our default page. Double click on button, and here I want to use a context. Okay, that's the context dot item, and let's give it name here. That's a name. And I want to store txt. So context is used to set the information between two pages. So whatever information is typed in this text box, it will be stored in this context, and we can use this context name in this our result page. So let me show you how to do this. So let's just, and also we need for email, so let's say email. What comes, also we need for the age. Age txt. Also we need for password. Let's say, and also we need for a confirm password. Let's say compass txt. And also we need for comment. txt. And also I need server dot transfer. Result page.spx. So what I did here, I stored the value in this context variable, whatever entered in this text box. As I told you, context is used to set the information between two pages, and here I used a server.transfer and transfer the value in this page, result page.spx page. So let's open this page, and here in this load event, let's just copy here, copy this code and paste it here, and here we need label here. Okay, also here we can say string. String, and here we can say email txt. So here we just retrieve a value from context object and display in our label control. So let's run this page. And here let's enter some value. And let's say hi. And here you can just see we just entered the value. And here also I want to, here I'm just submit the button without entering any value, and still I am able to submit the form. I'm sure you don't want to allow this. To solve this problem, we need to add a validation to our form. So let's do it. So let's switch here in our design view, and here we have a validation control. We can use it. First I want to use a required field validator, and let's say name is null, and here I can say and control to validate the text name, and also I need a required field validator for email. Let's say email is null, and that's email. Control to validate is text email, and I need for also age. Is null, and control to validate is text age. First let's change here and say text mode is password, and also text mode is password. And now let's add a required field validator for both of them. So let's change for the comment, and here text mode is multi-line, and here also we need a required field validator, and let's say comment is null. Control to validate is a comment, and also I can get here, let's say control to validate for text confirm password, and also here for txt password. And let's run this page and let me show you how it looks like. So here actually I need to add one thing here. Here we can add a validation summary, so it's just display a message, appropriate message. Now here you can see name is null, email is null, age is null, password is null, comment is null. Also we want to make sure that user entered email address valid or not. So to do that, we can use a regular express validator. So let's say email is not valid, and let's say text control to validate is html and valid expression. Here are many type of inbuilt valid expression, so you can use it as per your requirement, but we need for internet email address, so let's just say okay. And here for the age I want to use a range validator. Let's say age is not valid, and control to validate is txt age. And here we want to allow minimum age is 20 and maximum value is 99. So we are allowing age is between 99 to 20. Okay. And for a password, we want to compare these two passwords. We want to make sure that user entered a same password in these two text boxes. So we want to use a compare validator. So we can use here, and let's say password is not matched. And last, I want to use a custom validator. So let's grab custom validator. With the help of custom validator, you can write your own function depending on your requirement. You can write function and use it as a validation. So let's say here I don't want to allow user to enter a more than 10 characters. So let's do it. Let's say comment is not valid more than 10 characters, and here you can say control to validate is text command. Here you can write method. Let's say if text comment more than 10 characters, then you can say I dot value equal to false. And also let's add here one variable, local variable. Let's say public full flag equal to true, and let's say if flag equal to true, then we are going to do server.transfer, and let's say flag is equal to false. Now let's switch here in our default page, and actually here I need to do, and also I forget to control to validate. So this is our default password, and we want to compare with our this password. So let's use this password. Okay, now we can run this page. And here you can see name is null, and let's say demo. Now you can see email is null, and let's enter email from wrong email. Now you can see email is not valid. Let's enter some valid email. enter valid age, and also let's enter 23 password and let's take 234 and try to submit, and you can see password is not matched. Now let's match password, and now you can see comment is now. Let's wait. And now let's try to submit, and here you can see comment is not valid more than 10 characters. So let's just delete this and just write comment, and also we need to enter password once again, and here you can see data is submitted successfully.